Hello, Daily Shark here, back in the land of the smiles. As you can see, look, beautiful here. I'm a little bit rough, I'm a little bit tired after 24 hours travelling, and I'm a bit hairy and a little bit fatter after a lovely Christmas in South Africa. But anyway, you don't need to know about that. What you do need to know about is what the weather is going to be doing for the next week. And who's going to tell us? Well, our famous meteorologist, Sean. Sean, what's the weather doing? Hello.
What?
Oh, it's not Sean, unfortunately. So you've got this meteorologist, not the other one. Sadly, Sean got busy. So it's up to me to do the weather this week. Back in Phuket and a little bit more hairy. Right then, let's look at this one. Obviously, this is our windy app that we use. This shows the wind. This is Sunday, which is when I'm recording this. But let's look throughout the week. This is obviously Monday, which comes after Sunday. Good day, isn't it? Anyway, cheers, coffee. Oh, you should actually use one of our thermos flasks, which you can buy online or in our office. There you go. Shirt's up there, by the way. You can buy that as well. Anyway, look, Monday looks really nice. Now, remember, blue is good. So blue is good. So that looks good. Let's look at Tuesday. Oh, there's a little bit of green, but not too bad. Not too bad. So it might get a little bit bumpy if you're going down to PP. So PP's down here. Phang up here, obviously. And this is Phuket. There you go. Wednesday looks really nice. If you want to go out Wednesday, it looks lovely. Really blue, which is nice. Let's look at Thursday. Thursday looks amazing. Purple's awesome. Purple means there's no wind, which means it's going to be stinking hot. Because it is stinking hot right now. That's Phuket high season for you. That's right. There you go. So Thursday looks awesome. Let's look at Friday. Friday looks awesome too. And let's look at Saturday. Oh, a little bit windy on Saturday. That's interesting. Oh, well. Then again, it could all change, because who knows, with all the microclimates we get around here in Phuket, and also in Krabi, because at the moment you'll see the wind's coming from this way. So this is Krabi here. So the wind comes down from Krabi and it comes across to Phuket. This is where the wind comes from high season. Good. Sean's probably told you this a few weeks ago. To be fair, I didn't watch the last two videos because I was on my hollybobs. That's right. I was in the safari watching lions have rumpy pumpy boom boom time, which was nice. Anyway, so there you go. That's your windy. I did rush through that a little bit, but you can always just rewind the video, couldn't you? Just like put the pencil in a tape if you're old enough to remember that. Right then, let's move on to, you don't know, how do I get rid of that? There. Oh, sorry about that. This is the current weather. It is our weather radar in Phuket. Doesn't really do very much, but as you can see, there's no real cloud anywhere. So there you go. Not sure why we show this one, to be fair. Sean likes it. I think it's because it's exactly what's happening right now. But if you're watching this either later on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, then who knows? Oh, Happy New Year, by the way. Forgot to say that. No. Did you have a good one? I did. I was asleep. Right, and then let's look at this one. This is our acute weather. So this just tells you now. This is interesting. I'm sat here on Sunday and it says it's going to be mostly cloudy with a little rain this afternoon. Now that's not true, because I just went for a 5-kilometre hike with my daughter and my dog, and here's a picture to show you that I took. Look at it, beautiful blue sky. It might rain. There's a 74% chance apparently. Now that doesn't mean that across the whole of Phuket there's a 74% chance it's going to rain. It means that there is a 74% chance it might rain somewhere in Phuket. And as we've said many times, Phuket has so many microclimates. It could be raining on Patong Beach, could be doing lots of things on Patong Beach to be fair, and it'll be beautiful, sunny and dry in Phuket town. Anyway, let's look at this. Monday, 32. Tuesday, 31. Wednesday, 32. Thursday, 31. Friday, 33. Interesting, it's got a little bit of rain here. But if we go back to our windy app, let's look at Friday. It was beautiful blue. But on this one, that's Saturday. Friday says it's rain as well. I'm confused. These weather apps are just crazy, aren't they? That's why you should check out our shorts, because every day, I say every day, every other day, sometimes every 3 days, we do a weather update live from Phuket. Or if you've been watching them, last week they were live from the top of Table Mountain in Cape Town, because that's where I was. Not bragging, I was just on holiday for 3 weeks in the safari. It was amazing. Do you want to see some pictures? Here they are. Ha ha! Right, anyway, it's going to be a good week. First week of the year, it's going to be stunning. If you do want to go out, and you haven't booked a tour, which you should have done because we're pretty booked out at the moment, then definitely Thursday looks good, Wednesday looks amazing, Thursday looks good, like I said, Friday looks good, and then Saturday does get a little bit bumpy, so it might be bumpy going down to PP. But apart from that, looks like it's going to be an awesome week. That's Phuket high season for you. And remember, don't trust the weather apps like we do. Just trust us, because we know what's going on. Or just send us a WhatsApp message, or just comment below and we can tell you what the weather's doing. Or go to any of our social media networks and we will answer all your questions. Got it? Good. Don't worry, Sean will be back next week for a better weather, not just hairy old Jay. I'm not growing a beard, I just forgot to take my razors with me and I need to shave. And I'm back now, so I'm going to go and have a shave. So next week, I'll look a little bit more unhairy, although I have put on a few kilos. But that's what Christmas is all about. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, like and subscribe and all that sort of jazz. Yeah? Good. Thanks. Bye.